Ah, Japan. Just saying the name conjures up images of cherry blossoms, bullet trains, and those toilets that practically give you a spa treatment. But seriously, Japan is an absolute dream for first-time travelers. Firstly, it's incredibly safe. You could leave your luggage unattended for 5 minutes. Not that I'm recommending it, and it would probably be right where you left it, surrounded by a team of concerned-looking businessmen. The Japanese are also famously polite and helpful, so even if your Japanese extends only to arigato, you'll be met with smiles and assistance. And the food! Oh, the food! Forget those instant ramen packets you survived on in college. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth sushi, steaming bowls of ramen that are a meal in themselves, and delicate mochi that are like little clouds of deliciousness. Must-sees? Well, you can't go to Japan without experiencing the neon wonderland of Tokyo, the historical treasures of Kyoto, or the majestic beauty of Mount Fuji. Quick tip: invest in a Japan Rail Pass for cost-effective travel on those super speedy bullet trains.